Hello friends. Today we'll discuss about the difference between ultrasound guidance code 76942 and 76937. Both are add-on codes and used for coding in intervention radiology facility. These are actually add-on codes and need a primary major CPT code along with the ultrasound guidance codes. So let us check first the definition for 76942 and 76937 ultrasound guidance CPT codes. So first let us check out the description. The description used for 76942 is ultrasound guidance for needle placement. For example, like for biopsy procedure, aspiration, injection, localization devices, imaging supervision and interpretation. So ultrasound guidance for needle placement used only for biopsy, aspiration, injection like localization device procedures. We can use CPT code 76942 for ultrasound guidance for needle placement. 76937 is ultrasound guidance for vascular access, requiring ultrasound evaluation for potential access sites, documentation of selected vessel patency, concurrent real-time ultrasound visualization of vascular needle entry with permanent recording and reporting. So ultrasound guidance CPT code 76937 is basically used only for vascular access and only for vascular procedures. So we'll see in detail regarding this CPT code in next slides. So first let us check out the sample report for 76942. So here you can see a sample report coded for fine needle aspiration with imaging guidance. So here you can see we have coded a fine needle aspiration code, some CPT codes 10022 with imaging guidance. So here the imaging guidance used is ultrasound. So CPT code is 76942. So for these non-vascular procedures and for injections, for biopsies, we have to use the ultrasound CPT code 76942. This CPT is only for non-vascular procedures. Non-vascular is which are not done on blood vessels. Vascular procedures are mainly which are done on blood vessels like vein, artery. So this is the main difference between 76942 and 76937. 76942 is only for non-vascular procedures and 76937 is for vascular procedures. So let us check few things to remember while using 76942. Do not use CPT code 76942 for vascular procedures. As I already mentioned, for vascular procedures we have to use the ultrasound guidance code 76937 and for non-vascular 76942. So here a separate ultrasound code is 76937 used for vascular procedures. So do not use any modifiers like RT, LT, 59 and 51 etc. with CPT code 76942. Modifiers are not eligible with CPT code 76942. So actually 76942 is an add-on code. So you can't use any modifier like 51 because it's a multiple procedure code. Already it's an add-on code, so it has to code as along with the main procedure code. Now coming back to 76937. So as already said, this is the ultrasound guidance code used for vascular procedures, but there are three main important criteria which should be met for coding the ultrasound guidance code 76937. So here you can see the first criteria is for patency of blood vessels should be documented, recording of images should be documented, and the needle should be and the procedure should be performed under ultrasound guidance documentation. So ultrasound guidance documentation should be also mentioned in the report. So all these three criteria should be documented for coding the CPT code 76937. So let us check a sample report for coding this CPT code. So this is a simple report for coding an IR pick line placement procedure. So here I have highlighted few things which should be documented for coding the CPT code 76937. So here you can see I have highlighted under ultrasound guidance, the recorded ultrasound image, patency also documented, patency vessel obtained, and finally image stored in PACS. So all the three criteria are documented in this report for pick line placement report. So here you can code 76937 CPT code. The reason I have not coded any CPT code in this because now as per the update many procedure codes have included the ultrasound guidance code in the primary procedure only. So while using 76937 you have to be very cautious whether that CPT code includes that ultrasound guidance code or not. So I am just sharing this sample report to show you what are the things should be seen in the report for coding the ultrasound guidance code. So hope now you have cleared your confusion for coding 76942 and 76937. Do not use a non-vascular code 76942 for vascular ultrasound guidance code 76937. It will be a blunder mistake by the medical coder. Hope you have gained a lot of information regarding coding ultrasound guidance. If you have liked the video, do share it, and if you want to gain more knowledge, do subscribe to my channel for getting updates related to medical coding. Thank you for watching the video.